If you are wondering for how long POCO X8 Pro is going to be supported, then the answer seems to be approximately 6 years if we count security updates. So in the case of security updates, apparently Xiaomi gives 6 years now, compared to 4 that was till recent time, but recently they have been updating their policy, the support policy, and now it seems to be 6 years of security updates. And as for the major Android upgrades or operating system updates, then it seems to be 5 years. So technically we should be able to get Android 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21 once they are, of course, available and released. And this should mean that the phone is going to end the support in 2031 for Android upgrades and 2032 for security updates. However, this can be, of course, extended a little bit if necessary, I can assume. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.